A statutory demand or winding up threat should be treated as a serious pressure point. The first job is not to panic, it is to identify exactly what has arrived, what deadline applies, and what evidence exists. Start with the document itself. Is it a statutory demand? Is it a solicitor's letter? Is it a court claim? Is it a winding up petition warning? Is it HMRC correspondence? Is it a demand from a bank, landlord, trade creditor, or another party? The label matters because different documents can have different consequences and time limits. Debt Decoded does not provide legal advice, set-aside advice, petition defence, or representation, but a director can still organise the facts before asking for suitable professional help. The second step is to record the basic details. Who is the creditor? What amount is claimed? Which company does the debt relate to? What is the date of the document? How was it served or received? What is the deadline? Has anyone already replied? Has any payment promise been made? Write those facts down in one place. The third step is to check whether the debt is disputed. Is the invoice wrong? Were goods or services not supplied? Is there a credit note? Is there a contractual dispute? Has the company already paid part of the balance? Are there emails showing disagreement? If there is a dispute, gather the evidence. Do not rely on memory. Put invoices, contracts, emails, delivery records into date order. The fourth step is to understand the company position. A statutory demand or winding up threat is not only about one creditor. It may show that the company is under wider cash pressure. Prepare a current bank position and creditor list. Prepare an HMRC arrears schedule, payroll dates, key supplier position, and a short cash flow forecast. If the company cannot pay this creditor, can it pay other debts as they fall due? Are current VAT, paid or IE, and wages being met? Those facts help decide whether this is an isolated disputed debt, a short-term cash issue, or a wider insolvency warning. The fifth step is to identify what must not be ignored. Short deadlines matter. HMRC petition language matters. A formal petition threat matters. Legal letters from solicitors matter. Bank account disruption, payroll risk, secured lender pressure, and landlord action can all change the level of urgency. If a winding up petition is presented and advertised, the consequences can become severe. Do not wait for that point before getting help. The sixth step is to be careful with payments. Directors under pressure sometimes want to pay the loudest creditor first. That may feel practical, but if the company is insolvent or close to insolvency, payment decisions should be considered carefully and recorded. Why was this creditor paid? Was the debt disputed? Was the creditor critical to trading? Were connected parties or director loan accounts involved? The record matters, because decisions may be reviewed later, if the company enters liquidation. The seventh step is to prepare before making calls. Before speaking to a creditor or professional, have your facts ready. Have the document, deadline, creditor balance, dispute evidence, cash position, and HMRC position ready. That makes the conversation more useful and reduces the chance of giving inconsistent information. If the situation is urgent, preparation should be fast. It should not become a reason to delay getting proper help. A useful pressure pack includes the statutory demand or letter, invoices, statements, contracts, and dispute evidence. It should also include your creditor list, HMRC arrears, bank position, cash flow forecast, and payroll dates. Finally, include legal deadlines, personal guarantee documents, and notes of calls or advice already taken. Debt Decoded provides educational information and preparation tools only. It does not provide legal, insolvency, or regulated debt advice. It does not provide tax advice, creditor negotiation, representation, or a recommendation for your company. If a statutory demand, winding up petition threat, or urgent legal deadline is live, speak to a suitable professional quickly. Organise your starting position with our free checker, or use the Director Conduct Review for structured preparation. If you need more information, guidance, and tools, visit www.debtdecoded.co.uk.